I'm casting on the stitches for the left front, and I have 47 up to now, and I want 56 stitches, so 48, 49, 50, 51. And as you can see, I'm going into the back of the whole stitch. That's the front of the stitch and that's the back of the stitch. Two, 3, 54, 55, 56. Yeah, I'm going to count those stitches to make sure that's how many I've got. So that's my 56 stitches, and now I'm going to knit one purl, one twisted rib, which is knitting into the back of the knit stitch. And that is called cable casting on, the way I casted on those stitches. And I will meet you at the end of that row. So that is the first row. And I'm on to second row. Just knitting into the back of the knit stitch again. And that's how I'm going to do for 20 rows all together. Twisted rib, just knit into the back of the knit stitch and a normal purl stitch. And I will be back when I get that far. Well, I've knit the 20 rows, the twisted rib, and I've knit 2 rows, 1 row knit and 1 row purl when I changed to the 4mm needles. It's very faint, the size. It's there, you can just see it there. That's when I changed to the 4mm needles. And so I've knit 1 row knit and 1 row purl, and then I've started the pattern, and I've started with knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. So the 2 end stitches are purl. So you can start with any, it doesn't make any difference, you can start with 2 knit or 2 purl, or with this number of stitches you could have started with knit 1 and you would have ended with knit 1, but I've just done knit 2, knit 2, knit 2, purl 2, and then 1 row of purl, and then 1 row where I've started purl 2, knit 2. So the next row is knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. And that's all you have to do, is, you know, from the other pieces. So you just carry on knitting like that until your knitting gets up to 15 inches. Well, mine will be 15 inches. You'll be doing whatever length you want to do. And so that's enough of that. I will be back when I get to 15 inches, and as this is going to be a V-neck, it was originally going to be a button-up, but my friend Angela messaged me and she wants a V-neck. So I will show you the instructions for the V-neck when I get up to the 15 inches and start shaping the armholes. So thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now.